Today I'm going to show you how I made these simple shelves in my laundry room. The very first step I did in creating these shelves was creating level lines on the wall exactly where I wanted the shelves to be. I used a table saw to cut my 1x6 in half. This is what I used to frame out my shelving. Next, I measured and cut for the back pieces of the shelves. I then measured every 16 inches for the location of the joist. I installed each 12-inch joist with deck screws. Next, I test fitted the shelving frame and screwed it into place. Next, I installed the side pieces. Then I measured the front piece of the shelves. When you screw the front piece to the joist, make sure that everything is plumb, straight, and level. Next, I cut my 1/2-inch plywood to the proper size. I was grateful to have my fiancé helping me out. Next, I used my trim screws to install my plywood into place. While she finished up with the plywood installation, I used a belt sander to work on some of the problem areas. Next, we sealed everything off with a coat of paint, and then we installed a reveal that matched the rest of the room. Be creative with this. You can use any kind of wood that you would like. Don't forget to use spackle and putty to really finish off your project and make it look professional.